Hey guys, hello. Okay, let's talk about 1975 No Mint Mark, Lincoln Penny. Okay, let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust, Liberty, 1975. Okay, the back of the coin or the reverse side of the coin. Okay, let's read. United States of America, e pluribus unum, 1 cent. Okay, now, let's find out the value or the price of a 1975 no mint mark Lincoln penny in top condition. Yeah, in top condition. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 1975 penny with no mint mark was graded MS68RD by PCGS or Professional Coin Grading Service, sold for $9,000 in a 2018 auction. Wow, $9,000 for 1975 Lincoln penny with no mint mark, graded MS68RD by Professional Coin Grading Service. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Okay, have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe. $9,000. Okay, bye for now.